Fantastic.
Go get the proper tool, buddy.
Whole saw bit would have done that a lot neater, and he probably wouldn't have got that cut on his neck.
Oh, that's nuts.
That could have been so bad.
Hi everyone, my name's Benjamin. I'm a development technician.
My name is Cuong. I'm the senior manager for Hearth product.
Hi, I'm Jacob. I'm a global lab supervisor at a leading hearth manufacturer.
My name's Tony. I'm validation manager.
We're gonna watch some videos of people doing some stuff a little questionable and wrong.
Right tool for the job. Alright, well he's got a decent drill. Well, he's got an impact. He's trying to drill with an impact gun.
Push!
With a drill, not impact?
There's nothing wrong with my impact at all. Get that through your head, okay?
There will be something wrong with your impact very shortly.
I mean, if you're trying to escape or something, but that's not the right tool, dude.
Come on guys, use the right tool for the job.
So he said nothing wrong with impact at all. Of course, nothing wrong with impact. It just needs to use, a proper tool to drill it.
Go get the proper tool, buddy.
Alright, let's go. In the ceiling, okay.
He tried to cut a hole with it.
But he can't afford a hole saw. He doesn't have one big enough. And he's sitting on the strapping of the roof.
So I set it down like this, and it was on, vibrating.
Nice little gash.
Oh!
See the chop? Yeah, I'm trying it out.
Hopefully it doesn't fall through the roof.
Okay, it's not really got you, didn't it?
Good thing you didn't chop your head off, bud. Jeez.
Whole saw bit would have done that a lot neater, and he probably wouldn't have got that cut on his neck.
Seemed like he's already hurt himself, and he seemed like he's okay with it. He's not learning.
Why? Just why? Why are you even up there? Get on a ladder and just do everything at shoulder height. You're lucky he's not falling through that.
Now we got some interesting tool names. I'm sure you might have heard some of them.
Hey Brendan,
All right.
what kind of tools you guys got back here?
This is the wheelie deal.
Up or
Wheelie
down,
deal.
cutty saw.
Spinny do ouchie guy.
Twisty screw inner.
Wiggle tool.
Stapler pry bar.
The nail bender.
Unique way to name your own tool. Fantastic.
All valid. Yes.
Fairly accurate.
You can nickname things you want, but just make sure you're using them for the right thing. But that's pretty funny.
Some real interesting electrical work.
Ooh. Oh, close to water. Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Probably one of the worst places to have electricity running through.
Shocking. That's shocking.
Maybe they were drilling through on a wall on the other side and happened to hit a wire and hit a pipe going to the tub at the same time.
Oh, that's nuts.
That could have been so bad.
If you're ever working on a system with a Schrader core locking cap and the inside is all stripped out, can't get it no matter how much you try, here's what to do. Grab your impact with the screw, zip it in there a little bit, lock it tight. Take whatever wrench you got, start twisting that thing. And then you got it off. Ready?
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's a good way to get it off. Yeah.
Seemed effective. I'd say good job, buddy.
Obviously don't do that though.
Have a pellet stove exhaust terminating right
Oh,
beside
yeah.
the mini split.
Not good. Oh my goodness. Well,
That's going to be a problem.
yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Condenser coil just plugged up right full of soot.
Yeah, I've seen that all too often. You always got to use certified components and install them as per the manufacturer's recommendations.
You see something like that, question everything.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please follow your manuals, stay safe. I don't want to see you in one of these videos. Thanks.